Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable or turn on WIX site to appear in search result. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WIX dashboard. Go to WIX website page editor and then you see you have turned off indexing for your entire site for search result. So we are going to enable it. If you want, you can enable or click on this option, so click on it. So we are in SEO setting. So we are in site and mobile app. Now you see SEO and then you see option let search engine index your site. Keep this feature on for your site to appear in search result. Now you see option. If you want, you can enable from here. Go to dashboard again. On left side you see settings, so click on it. So we are in setting and then you see multiple option. Again you see site, domain and SEO. So click on SEO setting. So we are in SEO setting again. Now you see set site preference. Enable this option. And then you see pop up. Your site could appear in search result. Turning on this feature means your site can now be indexed and will be eligible to display in search result. Are you sure you want to continue? And then you see button show site, so click on it. Now you see message, your site can now be indexed by search engine. Enable this option. So in this way you can enable or turn on search engine index in WIX website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.